Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first grocery haul. So I am actually trying to get a week's worth of food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for around $100 or less. And the way I'm doing this is I'm actually ordering online through HEB, which is a grocery store that we have here in Texas. And all you do is type in the food that you're looking for, and usually I've already purchased it before, so I'll type it in and go under purchase right here, and it'll pull up the items that I've already purchased previously, and then I'll just choose from there. And I've already made a list of the groceries that I still have here at home and the ones that I will need to buy. So I'm using a lot of stuff that I still have here in the freezer, that way I can save money on buying more groceries. So I will leave the list of all of the breakfast, lunch, and dinner that I'm planning to make for the week down below in the description box. So anywho, I'm still going through the list, and again, you can go down to the very bottom and switch pages if you need to. And I like this website because it goes by sections of the store. Like right here, we're on the pantry section, and then it'll go by like the type of snacks or food that is in the pantry section. Here's the fruits and vegetables as well. So it makes it easy to order the groceries, and then they're also delivered to my house, so we don't have to go to the store and wait in lines or be, you know, around big crowds and stuff. So this is how I order my groceries, and there is a $4.95 charge to have them delivered, but I mean, I'd rather pay that than go into the store. So anyway, this is the list of all of the groceries that I did order. Again, I'll leave everything in the description box below on how I'm using it, and I'll also show you guys here. So here I got little pieces of beef. I'm going to use this for carne guisada tacos for dinner. Here I have thinly sliced meat. I'll probably use this for beef and broccoli. So I did also get ground beef for other dinners like hamburgers and stuff. There's milk, tomato, and lettuce for sandwiches. I have 2 tubs of butter because we do run out of butter a lot. More eggs, always. We always have eggs. This is the Mexican cheese for, what are they called? For quesadillas. I have regular cheese for sandwiches, shredded cheese. There's bacon for breakfast, of course. We were out of mayonnaise, and I did get tuna for lunches. So we needed more mayonnaise for that. There's 2 loaves of bread. We have chili sauce for hot dogs for lunch with relish. I'm using that for chicken salad sandwiches as well. We also got the sandwich meat, a bunch of soups because my boys love soups, oil, flour, and mac and cheese. I like the homemade mac and cheese. My husband and my boys don't like it, or one of my boys don't like it, so they prefer the Kraft mac and cheese. So these are the items that I did purchase. I believe the total was actually $111. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first haul. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.